What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple method on how to draw a thing from Wednesday. Let's begin today's lesson by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We're going to start at the very top. I'm just going to lightly draw this line coming down towards us with these short lines. Now I don't want to go too dark because we'll eventually want to erase this out. Let's go up to the top and draw a straight line going across the wrist. And then from the ends, draw a straight line going up the arm. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. Now we're going to push the hand forward. So from these two corners, we're just going to angle the hand coming down and then out towards the side of the palm, to right about there. Close off the end with a straight line. Now I want to create some guidelines to help with the volume of the fingers. So from this point, let's step in, draw a straight line coming down towards the tip of the fingers. And then on the outside, I'm just going to angle this down and then out. Let's connect the ends with a curve, coming down and then in. Now from the point on the right, we're going to bend the thumb, coming down and then out. Come in and then just pull that up underneath. Now I want to create some thickness to the palm. So from the outside, draw a straight line coming down, go all the way across towards the right. And then from here we draw 4 circles for the sockets inside this large rectangle. Let's start on the right side. Just going to lightly sketch out a circle. Let's go over towards the left and do the same thing. Let's add 2 more circles on the inside. Now we're going to use each of these circles to help us create the bones of each finger. So from the center of the right circle, just going to angle the finger coming down and out towards the right. Let's draw a small circle for the knuckle. Let's move over to the middle of the second circle. We're just going to angle the finger coming down and in toward the center line. And again, drawing that same size circle along the bottom. Now as we go out towards the left, we're just going to angle the fingers going out. So again, if from the center, angle this down and out. Sketch out that circle. And do that one more time, going all the way out towards the side of that guideline. Now from the center of each knuckle, we're just going to angle this line coming all the way down towards that bottom. Just going to start to straighten this out. And then we're going to use each of these bones and the knuckles to add some thickness to the fingers. Let's start from the outside of that socket. Just going to angle this down and in. And we'll just pull that down towards the bottom of this line. Let's round out the tip of each finger. And go back and add some more shape to the outside of the hand. Just going to round this out and pull that in, go up towards the wrist. Once we have the basic shape of our hand, we're going to go back and lightly raise some of these guidelines. Also taking out the bones in the center of each finger. Now that we have our clean drawing, we're going to move in with the tip of our pencil and start refining the shape and the contour of our fingers. Let's start with the one on the right. Just going to start from the inside. Just going to lightly go in, just to add a little bit more detail and shape. Going around that knuckle, and down towards the bottom of the finger. And just working our way around the inside. Now this finger is going to blend in towards that second finger. Just working our way up towards the wrist. Again, just adding a little bit more shape and definition. And we'll just round out the top. Now I'm going to move to the side edge of my pencil and just lightly shade in the entire hand, starting from the wrist and just working our way down. Now once we're happy with the general shape of our drawing, I'm going to go in with the tip of our pencil and start refining the details. Just adding some stitches along the top. And just adding the shading, working our way down. And go back down to the bottom and work my way up. I'm just going a little bit darker with the shadow along the thumb, just to push it back in behind. just going to move back and start adding some detail to the fingernails. And we'll go in and start adding the wrinkles around the knuckles. I'm going to go in and just add the shadow of some veins across the hands. And now we're going to go in and start adding those stitches, starting across that third finger. And now I'm just going to add a shadow from the tip of each finger and just fade that out towards the right. So going a little bit darker underneath and just blending that out. Let's finish off by tidying up some of our shadows, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Thing from Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.